Hey everybody, Robert Jones, and I was just out cruising around the garden, getting the mail, things like that, and I noticed that our neighbors were having some trees trimmed, like, I don't know, 5 doors down, 4 doors down, and just went over to check it out to see what they were doing. I think they're just trying to let some new light into their house. Our neighbors over here, during the evacuation, had their trees all trimmed. You can see there's a lot of light going through them, which in turn comes to our house. So it's pretty amazing when they clean all this off. Also, I learned a new term this week. It's called Duff. Let me turn you around and show you what Duff is. So as you can imagine, when you live with these monsters, it's like 150, 200 feet tall, giant trees. Old growth stump there, cut off 1908. Anyway, they drop a lot of stuff. You can see they drop all these branches and pine needles and all this kind of stuff. And it builds up over time. So there was a wood pile here that we've been working on this winter. And we're working on this last little section here. It's Douglas fir wood, which is old. So we're trying to get rid of it so we can put in the new stuff. You can see, started putting a new pile together here with new wood over there. Anyway, this stuff builds up and it's called Duff. I didn't know it had a name. So the Duff here, you can see how thick it is. So this is about a 6-inch cardboard thing, Coldwell Banker. But you can see here that the Duff is like, I don't know, 4.5, 5 inches thick. It's pretty amazing. And it consists of pine needles and sticks, and it's moist, and it turns to soil eventually. But as an evergreen, it takes a while. You can see some down branches here from the storm. And again, that big trunk I was talking about. That trunk is probably 6 feet across, just to give you some perspective. Anyway, I wanted to show you what the Duff was. So that's a term I learned. The real reason for this video is I just wanted to show you, like, in the last week, stuff is just popping. So we didn't know what was growing around here because it was all dead when we moved in October. But you can see we've got some stuff coming up there. We got some new stuff coming up there. These are the roses that I clipped back a couple months ago. And you can see they're starting to get crazy. And just a cable I found in the wood pile. But anyway, some new growth on the roses there. I know, the chainsaws are annoying for me too. But you can see some new growth here. That's kind of exciting. Look at that little sliver of light illuminating those. That's pretty. Take a picture for the gram of that. But yeah, curious to see what all these bulbs that are coming up. We've got some lilies here. And here's kind of amazing. I don't know what kind of fruit tree this is yet, but look at the new growth. Let's see if I can get it to focus on that. Look at the new growth coming in, you guys. It's so beautiful. Can we get a focus? And we get a focus. Anyway, it's really nice. New life growing there. Little buds. Lots of little buds. All right, let's go to this side of the yard. Over here in the front, we have some stuff coming up. I don't know, maybe you guys know what this is. I don't. I know that this over here was a mint patch, and the mint has started to grow. You can see it there, and I'm excited by that. I don't know what kind of flowers those are gonna be, but those are coming up. And a couple more over here. Let's go over to that side of the yard. All right, we're over here by the big tank. Anyway, this is starting to grow. Don't quite know what that is. We have some grapes here. Those have not started yet, but I hear from the neighbors that this is an apricot tree, and people have been jealous of it because it's the only apricot tree that grows around here. See if I can get it to focus. Look at those little buds. Little buds. And then from my window, so my window to my office is there. I can see down onto these. Might be hard to see, but there are little flowers coming out. So that's exciting. We got something new coming up over here. Here we go. Now you can see. Look at those little buds. Little buds. Little bud flowers. All right, focus for me, baby. There we go. Yeah, so lots of new stuff coming up. So just a little video talking about new stuff coming up. Oh, there's a little bit more over here too. So I don't know what this stuff is, but these roses are starting to pop out. It is only February 22nd, so, but look at that, you guys. It's exciting. And then this came up, and I think it got a little freezer burned. It got a little bit of an edge there, but I think that was from the freeze. We had a little bit of a cold night, and I think it snapped it a little bit. But yeah, so there you go. Just a little update from the garden. Focus. All right, you guys, not a huge, exciting video today. But I just wanted to share some stuff that's going on here. It's exciting for me. It's exciting here at the mountain house, and I like to show people what's going on. Also, it's like 66 degrees today. It's the warmest it's been in a long time. Oh, here comes the gas man. You guys want to see what it looks like when they deliver propane? There it is. It's very exciting. Anyway, all right, you guys. Well, that's a little update from the mountain and a little bit of forest life. Hope you guys are well. Take care.